Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to Hendrickson Ridge. So I'm not a big fan of these inside projects, but today we have an inside project. I've been wanting to get it done for quite a while because when we bought this house 4 or 5 years ago, they put in this small low-rise faucet, and this is a tiny bathroom sink. So every time you go to wash your hands, obviously, you know, you hit this, you get squirted. So we're going to change this faucet today, step by step. And let's see, we have a new higher faucet that we're going to put in. So we're going to try to get you as best view as possible. But as you can see, the water line here, this fitting's in bad shape, so I might have to replace that entire fitting. I'm going to unscrew this and see how the threads are. Go from there, alright? But try to give you a little step by step. I already turned both of these off to hot and cold. So, yeah, let's get started. First, try to get this off, which might be tricky. It's in pretty bad shape, so I think I'll be going to Ace, because this ain't even turning. I'm going to take this off up here. Actually, this thing can come off too, because this whole thing here gets replaced. And alright. So, alright guys, we got the bottom off, so we'll get this, pull this thing, this old faucet out of here. We'll get the water out of it. We'll clean that up and get ready to put the new one on. So, I found some pliers big enough, or vice grips big enough to get this thing started. Alright. Loosen everything up here. Alright, so this is the old style metal, which is this thing is threaded in there. So I'm gonna get a screwdriver and put it in there, and then turn this. So let me get that thing out. Alright, so finally I got this top part to screw off, so I can pull this out the bottom. Beautiful. Now, just need to clean everything up, get ready for the new one. Alright, clean this ring up, or this drainage part best I could, because there's going to be a new seal in here, so you want to get this nice and clean. Now we're ready to start putting it back together here. Alright, so save all your pieces like this one that I cleaned out, you know, because you never know what you're going to need. That's going to go right back in there like that. get that started. Don't have to be tight. Leave it loose for now till we get everything going. All right. And then we got these new pieces that I got off of the new piece. All right. What we need to do though is we need to put this old one back on there. Forgot the screw part. Put the old one back on, and then this little O-ring will seal it. And this is why we don't throw anything away. All right. And we get that put together, and we'll be on to the faucet. The mistake I made is, you see this little waterproof washer I put on? You need to put that with the V shape down so that when it goes into here, it seals it. Just FYI. The other thing is everything under here is plastic, right? So, you know, if you have to, you can cut this shorter. Depends where your pipe lands. But everything can be hand tightened and not super cranked down, because you don't want to break any of the plastic, as you will be. See how that seal is in there? Double check that. But you will be replacing it if you crank down too hard, so you don't even need tools. Just crank it down with your hand. Alright, when it comes to that, you might need tools to get them off. Depends how long they've been on there. But now, let's see, the drain is in, and it's a new Fandangle drain. And this faucet comes with these plastic things and new ones, so you don't have to save them. I just snug them at first to make sure your faucet is in right where you want it up top, and then we'll tighten them down, and we'll put the hoses on, and hopefully we are done at that point. Alright, so I got the right ones, the 3/8 ones that actually fit it. So at least they will be on right. And then yeah, these 3/8 ones fit it perfectly. So we'll get them on. And then I think there's one valve's leaking. I might have to change that, but we'll go from there. Alright, so that's it for changing this bathroom faucet. Ran into a few obstacles, but not too bad. A couple hours. So it's nice. It's I think of some kind of Faucet they sell it at Lowe's. Works good. You push the little thing down, which is way better than the old ones. Nice. And underneath we have no leaks. So yeah, good project. Not a big fan of plumbing, but works out okay. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate you guys being here. Any questions or comments, feel free. And till next time, have a good day.